Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Adrian with another release for Avo. It's been quite a long time. 2 weeks ago, we haven't done the release. We were preparing for Friendly.rb. It went just amazing, if you're wondering. We are going to have the photos and the videos up on the website pretty soon. Today, we are going to release Avo 2.42 and 3.3 and the beta 20 for Avo 3. So let's get into it. First of all, this is just maintenance. I did a check for tailwind.config.js based on its path. So basically, whenever you do bin rails generate Avo tailwind CSS install, it would add the tailwind config.js in somewhere in the root directory. But if you have it in the config, it will use that path to generate the config file. So it's just a little bit easier for you guys if you use it in the /config directory. Some typo fixes, broken readme demo link. The file image doesn't render in full size. I think this comes in 2 PRs. Yes, so we applied aspect ratio. I'm going to show you where on some images. It's actually in posts. If we use just one post, this image right here, now this was forced to be in the aspect ratio of a video, so 16:9, but probably you don't want it like that. So from now on, it's not going to have this, so it's going to be its own natural aspect. So if it's tall, it's going to show a tall image. If it's wide, it's going to be a landscape image. So this is better for just single file fields. Update fetches things to use custom policy if available. Yes, this is a good thing. It's a security fix. Basically, we weren't using the authorization service properly, and some fields will kind of like seep through even if you did not allow access to them. But now this is fixed and it's more secure because of that. Thank you so much, Donald, for this contribution. Fix variant resize image. Yep, so another one with the images. Again, if you were to use a variant which was smaller, it would have been forced to be as big as the whole, what do you call it, the whole container. So basically this small image right here, it would be forced to show as a big one, and that would make it just blurry and not the experience that you want. But now it will let it flow and be as small as it wants to be. Still down 2. Allow params on resource menu item. So thank you so much, Brichu. This helps. Where is it? Documentation. You can pass params to menu editor. So now you can say something like, okay, resource posts, and you can set some things like a status, or you can do add some filters if you want to. So you can have like some menu items. This is projects, and you can have like publish projects or admin projects or whatever. This you can do that using params. So you can use it as a hash, or you can use it as a block, and you can add various things to it. And I think that's about it for Avo 2. Avo 3 is going to have a couple of things. These are just a few of the PRs brought in from Avo 2. Next, select all breaking while encrypting. So this was something that I figured out with the new Rails 7.1 release, which I'm going to speak in just a moment. So it was I'm going to show you which feature this is. Be this one right here. So basically you select a few records that you see on the page, so 24, but you want to select everything and apply some actions to them. So it was broken before, and now this is fixed with Rails 7.1. Actions with long messages should get more padding after the message. Thank you so much, Paul, for this. So before it looked like this, and now it just has more room to flow. Badge options allow symbols. Same. Before you were supposed to give the options as a string, but now we enabled symbols as well. resource fields methods for each view. This is a cool one. So basically what this allows you to is add, you probably know that on the new Avo 3, you have this def fields method. Well, now you will have this def index fields, and then you can have show fields if you want to, and edit fields, and you can have form fields as well, and display fields. Form fields and display fields as well. Cool. And what this does, it enables you to, instead of using hide on and show on in the general fields method, you can now pick and choose what you want to show. So basically you could use this preview only in the index fields, and then maybe you want to show the logo only on the display fields. The display fields, this is something new in Avo 3. It's basically index and show. And form fields is the opposite, is new and edit. So basically you can pick and choose and create and use like separate methods for each type of field, each type of view. So we hope this enables you to create even better experiences for your users. Rails 7.1 was released on October 5th while Rails World was going on. I'm happy to say that Avo is fully compatible with Rails 7.1. Ransec has a small issue though. It just needs a little bit of a hotfix. They need to update a PR, to merge a PR to make that work. But if you use this code snippet anywhere in your initializer, you should be able to have that working. Everything is going to be in the release guide, in this video notes, and on the releases page. So use this in order to be able to use Ransec with Avo with Rails 7.1. That's pretty much it. We're working hard on our Tailwind CSS integration. It's not yet ready there. It's coming. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We're working hard on our Tailwind CSS integration. We want to have that when we launch stable. What else? We have a lot of tiny things going on, a lot of security updates and bug fixes and edge cases. We have a few cool contributions from the community, like creating a record from a belongs to screen, and what else? Drag and drop for reordering, and a few other things. So cool things are coming. Hopefully by the end of the month, we are releasing the stable version, and you'll be able to upgrade more easily. So thank you so much for being an awesome member of the community, and I'll see you in other Ruby and Rails events. See you guys.